So over here, you can see that I got a Notepad file. So if I were to go around and then make some changes and click on File Save, it is updated in that particular file. But if I want to create a new file, that is an entirely new file, and then work with it, then what you can simply do is you can go around into File right here, and here you can see New is an option. So once you click on New, what happens is that it creates a new file right here. So the previous file is not there anymore. You can go around, and now what you can simply do is go to File and click on New again. And here now it asks if you want to save the changes to the untitled file right here. So I'm just going to go around and save it out right here. And now what happens is that it saved out the file, it closed that previous file, and now I have a new document again. Another option is you can go around into File and click on New Window. So once you do that, what happens is that it opens up another iteration of the application right here. So what you can do is you can go around and work around with another Notepad file side by side, as you can see right here. So you want to work around with multiple documents at once, then you can click on New Window over here. And then a new window opens up, and there you can open up the file, create a new file, and work with it however you want as well. And that is how you can create new file and work around with new window inside of Notepad. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.